In this video, I want to show you how you can generate codes and invoices. This could be a code for renewal, it could be a code for SMSs that you want to get, it could be a code for training. So how do you do that? So you access that from this menu item. So again, under System, you go to this menu item called Purchases. So when you go to Purchases, you see where it says Get Code or Invoice. You click on that, and then you can pick, you see where it says Select Purchase Type. So you can pick here and say, okay, maybe it's first time purchase, or it's a renewal, or it's SMS, or it's for training that we are paying. So let's assume that now you can see in this table is the one that will be showing all the quotations that you'd have generated. And because this is a training account, you can see that there was this quote that was generated for first time, and of course the zero amount that was paid because it's a training account, and I can't actually use this in real life. I can't use it to do much. So let's say that I want to generate a code for SMSs. In fact, let me show you this. So if you do the renewal as an example, if you say renewal and you pick a year that, okay, I want to renew for 2026 or 2025 as an example, you pick the term, okay, I'm renewing for term 3. You can pick multiple terms, and the way you pick multiple terms is you press Control on your keyboard and then you click like that. Then you see that you're selecting multiple terms. So right now, if I say term 3, and then I say that I want to, if you say calculate amount, it will show you the amount that you're supposed to pay. All right. Then if you want to go ahead and generate a code, that's when you can pick a specific date. So if you want to backdate the date for this quotation, you actually pick a specific date. Okay, you can pick there and say, okay, maybe this quote was for May and so forth, and then you say generate and view your quotation. So let me generate a code for SMSs since I don't want to do renewals. I'll say SMS. How many SMSs would you like to buy? Say, okay, I want to get maybe um, 20 SMSs as an example. Calculate the amount. It will tell you that you're supposed to pay 6 kwacha for these 20 SMSs. So if I want a code, I can say I want a code for today. And then I can say generate and view code. Now, when you click that button, nothing is going to pop out like, oh, here's a quotation. What it actually just does is it will generate your code and create a record in this table. So you see that now there's a record for SMSs. The quantity is 20 and the amount you're supposed to pay is 6 kwacha. Okay, and here you see that it shows a button for the code and a button for the invoice, but there's nothing for receipt here. Unlike this other one that shows code, invoice, and receipt, because this one actually was paid, even though of course we set it to 0 there. So if you want to view your quotation, you simply click on this button here that says code. So if you click this, wait for it, and then you actually see this. You see this PDF that shows you the quotation. Shows the details of the company and the quotation number. It also, you can see here, it also shows our TPIN number in case you need that, and the company registration number there. It will show our phone number, and this is your customer ID. This is the ID of your school. And then it will show the code number there, and then it will show the date and the amount that you're supposed to pay. So let's just get back. If you want to view the invoice, especially if you want to view the bank details now, okay, if you want to pay for this through the bank, where would you find the bank details? You go to the invoice. So in the invoice is actually going to show you the bank details there. You're supposed to use our Access Bank, which is formerly Atlas Mara. And the account number, the sort code, and so forth, and the sort code are all there. All right, so this is how you generate your codes and invoices.